HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids! Today we're gonna draw a pizza. So just draw a circular outline, but don't go all the way because we're gonna cut out a slice. Do a V, another one above that. And come round to finish your slice. And a double border because we like a nice thick crust on our pizza. Let's do some pepperoni. What's your favourite pizza topping? Maybe it's vegan pepperoni. Let's do some olives, black olives. Or do you prefer green? Maybe you'd like some jalapenos if you like it hot. Some mushrooms. You know what else goes great on pizza? Peppers, I love them. Green, red, yellow and orange, all delicious. Right, time to shade the border in. Gonna make it a thick black border. Ready to paint. Starting with the crust, it's gonna be orange because it's lovely and golden from being baked in that stone oven. Ooh, all this pizza drawing and painting is making me hungry. That does look crispy, doesn't it? That's it, keep going, you're almost there. Brilliant, let's just do the edge of the slice now. Ooh, yummy. Right, what's next? How about the cheese? We're going to do it yellow, the traditional colour of cheese. Ours is mozzarella and cheddar mixed with gorgonzola. Maybe a little parmesan sprinkled on top. Do you like sprinkling parmesan on your pizza? Sounds strange, doesn't it? To add more cheese on top of cheese? But I tell you, it's fantastic. So this is the part where we really have to take care because whilst we're painting the cheese yellow, we've got to paint carefully around all of our toppings. Circular shapes for our pepperoni, then the oval shapes and rectangular shapes for our mushrooms, small circles for our olives. So we're using a small, thin-tipped paintbrush for this. And if you have the option, you can always change up the paintbrush. Use the small one to go around the detailed areas where you don't want to go over the border, over your toppings, and then use a bigger, thicker brush to cover more surface area more quickly when you are away from the danger zones. Keep going, you're doing really well. That's it, around your olive. Nearly there. This is the hard part done, nearly. And you're done! Brilliant job, well done. Let's do the pepperoni. A dark, reddy, pinky colour. And if you don't want pepperoni, they could be tomatoes. Perhaps that orange of the crust is our tomato sauce, squelching out the sides. Mmm, yummy. One more. Brilliant! Now for the mushrooms. They're going to be grey. You could use any type of mushroom, chestnut, portobello, or just plain old simple mushrooms. And there you have it, a wonderful pizza. Now let's add that parmesan. A few splodges here and there. Shake, shake, shake. On our slice. And voila! You've done it. A pizza! Great job!